Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about threads in Java. Thread is a concept where one program is divided into multiple subprograms and they can be executed in parallel. Java allows us to create multiple threads, which improves the overall speed of program execution. Every thread in Java has its own stack, its own program counter, and also its own memory. Using threads, multitasking and responsive applications can be possible. There is two ways we can create one thread. Either we can extend the thread class or we can implement the runnable interface. Now talk about thread lifecycle. Thread goes through 5 different lifecycle states: born state, runnable, running, blocked, and dead state. Creating one new thread is said to be in born state, and from that state it can go directly to the runnable state by using the start method, or it can go to the dead state with the use of stop method. The runnable state is where the different threads ready to be executed are waiting in a queue, and different threads switch between runnable and running depending upon the thread priority and available of the processor. The running state is where the thread is in execution, and from the running state one thread can go to the runnable state using the yield method, and the thread can go to the blocked state with the use of suspend, sleep, or wait method, or from running state it can go directly to the dead state by the use of stop method. A thread is in blocked state where it is waiting for certain condition to be fulfilled to re-enter in the runnable or running state. The notify and resume method is used to re-enter in the running state, or it can go directly to the dead state with the use of stop method. Now talk about the dead state. A thread ends in life in the dead state. A thread goes to the dead state after it has executed its run method, or one thread can forcibly lead to the dead state with the use of stop method from any of the other state. So these are all the lifecycle states of one thread in Java. Hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.